and my room looks like a mess. It is totally not a vibe, and I'm literally not thriving. For me to be productive, I need to be in a clean and organized environment, but just because I like that doesn't mean I always do that. I have a terrible habit of not putting away like literally anything. As much as I love keeping everything organized, everything becomes messy really quickly. So first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna run some errands. I need to go to Walmart to buy my eyeliner because I'm out of it, and then go to Dollarama. After that, I need to deep clean my room because, as I said, it is just a literal mess. I need to do my laundry. Trust me when I say I don't even remember the last time I did my laundry, and right now I don't have anything to wear, and that is not cute. So we'll be doing that. We'll probably be doing like a skincare, self-care day after I'm done all the work. Let's go to Walmart, my favorite place ever. Let's go. This is literally all that I'm here for, and this is the best eyeliner that I've ever used. I really wanted an iced coffee so bad, but I am in my saving girl era, so no iced coffees from outside because I'm gonna be making it at home. And it's so hot. Not gonna lie, I'm not complaining. I love this weather. It's just that my makeup is melting at this point. I put my hair in a ponytail because they were bothering me. It is really hot and they were just sticking to my face. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a haul of literally the two things that I got. So first thing that I got is this Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. This is my holy grail. I live by this. I can never ever go without an eyeliner, and this has to be it. The second thing that I got are these glass straws. Alright, let's make some iced coffee and then continue with the rest of our to-do list. I accidentally added a lot of milk in my coffee, so now it just tastes straight up like flavored milk. And hey, I'm not complaining. So I'm just gonna change into something more comfortable so that we can start with the cleaning. So I changed into this neon green shirt that I got from my school because I don't know about y'all, but this shirt kind of slaps though. Also that I don't have anything else to wear. So I look like a green highlighter, and I'm fine with it. More deeper into the life of an international student. I am so sorry. It is a mess. There is a reason why everything is covered in under white curtains. This is my makeshift pan drawer, and I just keep all my pans in here. For a really long time, I wanted to clean this because it is kind of a mess, as you can see. Let's quickly do this. Alright, so as you can see, everything is sorted. So this is the pile that I never wear and like the jeans that don't fit me anymore. These ones are the ones that I wear really rarely, and these are all my baggy jeans and cargos that I live in, and just shorts, leggings, and some of my caps. So yep, that is all sorted. So I am going to be cleaning my window and windowsill, I think that is what it's called, or the window panel. It is nasty. I've actually never cleaned it before and it is so dusty, so I thought maybe I should give it a try. If I'm doing a deep cleaning, may as well clean everything in the room, right? And I will also try not to knock my TV off. With all the cleaning, I'm just gonna sit here, relax, eat my strawberries, and watch some YouTube. And I'm also thinking of going to the gym later, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for now. Let's go work out. Hi guys, I am back from the gym and I was gonna hop in the shower, but as this is a monthly reset, what I like to do is I just go in with this face razor and just like shape my eyebrows and get rid of the peach fuzz that is going on. I only do this maybe once or twice a month. I'm gonna do this now, and before I go in with that face razor, I like to use some kind of serum or face oil. So today I'm gonna be using this retinol facial oil. And if you're gonna try this, make sure you're using some kind of oil so that your skin is moisturized and you're not irritating your skin in the process. And after that, I'll be using my CeraVe facial cleanser to just wash off my face as per usual. I have no idea why my skin is breaking out like on my forehead. This is literally the first time in 2 years that I've had acne on my forehead. It's kind of annoying. So a main part of this mid-monthly reset is also planning my goals and planning the videos. As all of you may know that I have been pretty consistent on my channel and I am so proud of it. I will just go through my channel analytics just to see how my older videos are doing and what I can do to improve more viewer engagement. That being said, I will really appreciate if you can just subscribe to my channel. That helps my channel a lot and also encourages me to create new content for you guys. So please subscribe to my channel and comment down below what all videos you want to see. And I am just going to plan more videos for now. So lately I've been using this planner and I really love laying out everything related to my videos, and I work really well if I can see it in front of my eyes. So I'm just gonna plan my entire week. Like, I'm just gonna put down all the videos that I need to film and edit on a specific day so that I know when I need to post a video. Lastly, I decided to clean my makeup brushes because I swear to God, I don't even remember the last time I cleaned them, and they were a little dirty. And by little, I mean a lot. So I just soaked all my sponges and my makeup brushes in warm water, and I used dish soap because I've heard that it is really good to remove oil from all that makeup gunk or dirt. Also, it was making my skin break out, so I thought it was the time I washed them.